Another terrific night of hockey here. Eddie Olczyk is alongside. You'll hear from Ray Ferraro in a moment. I'm Mike Emmerich. Tonight, we bring you a matchup between two great teams. Eddie, your thoughts?
Well, we have two teams that are intense, Doc, and they don't like each other very much, so stay tuned. I expect some fireworks here tonight.
The teams are ready, and so are we. Djurgården's got the puck, and they get to make the first play. Looking to Borg. Good defensive play. Loose puck, though. Shutout positioning by Borg. Lets the shot fly. Lin Xiaoping's getting an attack ready in their own end. Terrific save there. Didn't look like he had anything to shoot at, and he made it tough.
A missed opportunity from this close in.
Takes it right back. Tip to the net, and off target with that one.
Oh, that puck slowed up and just missed the side of the net.
Djurgården's got it and moving up the wing. Propelled to Borg. A shot. Just threw it into his pad there. It's probably noisy at the bench, but Ray can hear us. You're on, Matt.
Hey, Doc, it's not very often that a team can win without special teams that at least play even to the level of their opponents. Your power play and penalty kill has to be a key component of your team if you expect to win over the long run.
Okay, Ray, keep listening down there. It's an onside play. No luck.
If that puck hits the net, I think it goes through it.
Marched narrowly inside. Around through the corner right now. Djurgården's in their own end and in possession. Lets it go. Paddled aside.
I like high event games. This start is very low event. Not very much happening.
Score! No goal. They're going to have to go upstairs on this. Maybe a kick.
There was no indecision there. The referee waved it off right away, but there is going to be a video review.
Home crowd exhales all at the same time. Now they can cheer. The reviewed goal is now considered a good goal.
That is the first goal scored after a lot of work.
Great start. They were ready to play, and it shows on the shot clock as well.
Djurgården's got possession from the faceoff. Onside. Got it in his own end.
7 minutes, 47 seconds.
Pushing it on along the boards. Lets it go. The shot is off.
When the puck sounds hard when it hits the end boards, that means you've missed the net. Scoring chance is handed away.
Holds in the corner. Fires. Can't get it on net.
There's not really much place to go with the shot. He's trying to be perfect. He misses, and the puck rings around the boards.
Shot. Wonderful stop.
The goalie makes himself look big.
They need to get a rest for some players. It's dumped into the offensive zone. Forwards are changing. And on the icing, play is stopped, and all the way back it will come for a faceoff.
Routine stop for the goaltender. The shooter's going to have to do a much better job challenging him.
A little under 8 minutes to go first period. It's a 1-0 game. Quick work on the faceoff. Nicely received at the point. Fires! Oh, what a great chance, but it's off the iron. Gets it back. Pitching this one to Carlson. Gets in. What'll he do? He missed the net.
Now that's the way you shoot a hockey puck. Just over the top of the net.
Djurgården's lugging it through the center ice area. Picks it up back there. Linköping's getting to the neutral zone. Wasn't intentional, didn't go well. Loose puck. Picked up behind the net. Not a hard hit, but effective. It's lost. Puck corralled by Carlson. And he sends it to the net. Linköping's trying to pry it free along the boards. Nearing the final minute of play. Gustafson's able to keep this play moving.
In the first period.
Linköping's got it along the side. Shoots one. Score! Not much time left, but enough for that one.
Out top, the goaltender had no chance on that slap shot.
Eriksson's reaction shows that he knew he was going to go up top with the shot, Eddie, but he just couldn't get there.
They win the draw and will now set up an attack. Let's go, Arister. What a save. I was looking for the light to come on. 20 minutes have passed. They worked hard in that period. 2 goals scored and both. By the same team.
Be sure to attend our Auto and Light Truck Show next weekend and get a sneak peek at next year's models from the world's top automobile manufacturers.
Eddie, we're about to enter the second period here. What did you think of the opening period of our game?
Djurgården has to be happy with the score. But one thing they're not happy with is the way they managed the puck in that first period. Way too many turnovers, way too many gifts given to the opponent.
Carries it to the corner. Big point-blank save there.
You want to score goals, you have to go to
Nice face-off work. Trying the probe up the wing. Terrific save. Stays on side to the middle. Lets a shot go. Just wide. Linköping's lugged it back into their own end. Gains the zone. From the outside. Oh, stick save. Got it on his stick in the slot. Bort's in his own end, headed towards center. And they are in. A shot. Wide. He can start some danger here. Around to the corner. Has that pass off the boards. Fantastic shutdown. Slides it to Bort. Loose puck. There was no getting through. Linköping's in possession as they travel up the wing. Offside is called. Somebody got over anxious there.
The low shot's handled with the goaltender's stick. He deflects this out of danger in a hurry.
Under 8 minutes have been skated so far. 2 goals have been scored, both by one team. Continues on back a little farther. Oh, that's a nice cut pass. Let's see what happens. Wonderful wrist shot. Save! Takes that pass from the other point. That one was tipped, but missed the net. Lin Shoping's in control of the puck along the side. Turned a shot on net. Save! Loose, but he froze it. Stoppage of play.
There's not many saves easier than this for the goaltender. He gets his blocker on it. He's in good position, and he deflects this away.
Good job on the draw. Djurgården's got it in their own end, hoping for center. It's dumped in. That puck comes to the biggest stick blade on the ice, and it's handled. Djurgården's in possession as they travel along the boards. Puck loose, now picked up. Carried through center ice. Into the attacking end. Loose puck captured by Roy. Shot. Wonderful work in close and a brilliant save.
Not often you're all alone in front of the goaltender from this area of the ice. Great save.
Lets it go. Oh, a save there. Puck covered. Whistle blown. Beat him on that one. Shoots. Oh, and a great block of the puck. Ripper. Loose puck taken by Carlson. Lets it go. Robbery there. Fires in front. Terrific challenge. Outstanding save.
A quick developing play right in front. Almost looks like he's too close to the goaltender.
Nice tip of the pass. Gets in and he'll look over his options. Great shooting position. That shot came from nowhere. And he takes it through center ice. Broke it up well with the poke check. Terrific save with a pad. A whistle and a rest.
I don't know if he's going to make a save much easier than that one. He's in good position. It's a rather routine stop.
Clean win on the draw. Djurgården is back in its own end, trying to work forward. Gets across, looks over his options. Shoots one. Terrific save. Lin Shoping's on the move, hoping to wheel it up the wing. Big drive. Score! Late in the period. Couldn't get much later for that one.
Offensive player, you have that much time, you're allowed to take that big, heavy slap shot. Fortunately for the offensive team, they're rewarded with a big goal.
The butterflies become a default position for the goaltender, Edzo, and while the shot is nice, he's down in that butterfly position way too quickly.
Lin Shoping's built a 3-0 lead in this game, and they've had the puck almost the entire time. Face-off win, and now what will they do with it? Shoots one. He got his glove on that one.
Villains.
2 periods have been played. They've worked pretty hard at it, and they get a well-deserved rest. Third period coming up shortly.
Your ticket stub from tonight's game and receive up to 10%.
Period about to begin. The rear view mirror will help us with the first 2, and so will Edzo.
Djurgårdens has 20 minutes to get back in this hockey game, Doc. They're lucky to still be in this thing. I don't think they're going to be able to come back, but if they do, they have to eliminate their turnovers.
He shut him right down. Carried to the corner boards by Bork. Puck loose. Good defensive positioning there. Pass up that right wing, and he's got it. Snapped out of the air. Puck covered, whistle blown. Solid, clean win. Shoots one. Over the net. Oh, it was close.
That's a prime area to score goals. He was there, but just did not execute.
Lets it go. Lin Choping's in control of the puck in their own end. They've got it. And the puck gathered in by Borg. A good cut of the pass. They can keep the pressure on. Stays along the boards. And he picks it up. Shot back down for an icing, and back it will come into their zone again.
Gustafson's lucky. Just got a piece of that, but it was enough to make the stop.
A little over 6 minutes off the clock. It's a solid lead by a score of 3-0. Taken over again. Puck is thrown to Borg. Good standing poke check. Djurgården's leaving its own end. Nicely into the zone. Seeks the corner. The stick can break up a play, and it just did. Puck picked up here. Djurgården's got it and moving it through the neutral zone. On the outside, a shot. Lin Choping's controlling play now in the defensive zone. He moves that one ahead through center. On to Borg. Great stick work prevents the pass from being complete. Lin Choping setting things up in center. Puts one on. No!
I know that shot just missed the net, but that thing was moving.
He's turned back now to the defensive zone. Gets in. What'll he do? Fires. That shot hit a man. Toward the net. He scores. And that's 4 straight goals.
People always zero in on the puck, but if you're going to have great puck support, you better have the guys without it that go to the open ice.
Enzo, this has got to be a great shot because from my angle, there doesn't look like a lot of net. Even with the goaltender down, he seems to have most of it covered.
Just over 6 minutes remaining here in the third. You can see momentum in this game. It has shifted, and it is expanding even more. The advantage is 4 goals. Shoots, shot into the pad. Snapping a pass to Carlson. Gets in, looks over his options here. Blockered away. He covers and holds on.
Routine stop for the goaltender. The shooter's going to have to do a much better job challenging him.
Defensive zone win. Banked right ahead.
Choping's execution offensively has been outstanding this evening. They've gotten to the front of the net, they've forechecked well, cycled the puck, controlled the play for long stretches of time.
Picks it up in his own end. Into the end of attack. Pass to the net. Outstanding save. What magic even to get there and get the shot off.
With this puck being so close to net, this is all a reactionary save.
Good work there. Free puck off a defender. That roadblock was set up. The defense was in the way. Loose puck. So we're into the last minute. All is academic here. Passing one off now to Eriksson. And he continues with it along the side. Moving it to Eriksson. Nice play with the stick. Nothing more will come. He drives to the net. Outstanding save. What magic to even get the shot away. I think this is a good point to hear from Ray Ferraro.
Gustafson's been an absolute rock and goal for his club. He's been so solid, they've been able to relax and play with an aggressiveness up front. Man, these saves highlight some of the play that he's had tonight.
He has been remarkable tonight, Ray. He's going to be one of my 3 stars of the game, maybe the first.
The goalie's been the one key reason that his team's been able to hold on to this lead. He's faced a high percentage of top quality shots. He's stopped virtually everything.
Takes that right wing pass perfectly. Goes back deep for it. Djurgården's carrying on up the wing. Mashed in. Gathered up again by Larson. What a save.
Seems like he was in too tight on the goaltender.
Wrist shot. A wonderful save, and that just beat the clock too. Game over.
I know what that's like, Doc, being on the end of some bad games, some bad efforts. I'm not looking forward to practice tomorrow.
So the teams have left the ice and are getting rested for next time. For this time, for Eddie and Ray, Mike Emmerich saying good night.